our first guest in this hour. Again, 3 weeks worth of CES coverage, so we don't want you to miss a minute of each weekend's 3-hour broadcast, all 3 weeks from CES, and all available for you at intotomorrow.com. But our first guest this hour is on a quest, if you will, to eradicate all things annoying with the earphones, earbuds, those kinds of things that we all own. And if you're like me, they're always popping out of my ear, or maybe you're just at that point finally on a plane where you can doze for a couple of minutes, and all of a sudden it's out of your ear, and now you're hearing the moron behind you screaming. Well, the media relations representative with BURTON Technologies is Chris Tooman. Chris, welcome into Tomorrow. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for having us, Dave. Really appreciate it.
It's a pleasure. You guys are doing unique things. You know, it's not like, we don't like talking to companies that make one of the same 10,000 other products that the last guy makes. Yep. But what you do is very unique because you really help us with those annoying earbuds. And how do you do that?
Well, first of all, we start form over function. Or function over form.
Yeah, okay, got you. Well,
media relations guy here.
Yeah, but it could work either way when you get into what's important.
Yeah, we really we introduced. I'll show you first the Acoustic from last year. We introduced.
Boy, somebody's got to have a really big ear for this one.
Yeah, if you see Shrek or any other giants walking around, you tell me because we'll fit him.
But that certainly gives you. And again, those of you listening in the car or not near your computer, have no fear. The videos of Chris and all the interviews here at CES, all 3 weeks worth, available for you on our site at your leisure. So here's the original Acoustic.
That is the giant Acoustic. Yeah. Really, I brought these nice props for the video because
and right next to it,
real life is sometimes smaller than radio.
Actual size. We're bringing it to you in 3D. Big buzzword here at CES. So now we've got the 3D version.
Yep.
So there's an idea of how small and convenient it is, and how easy it attaches to your annoying earbuds that are always popping out or just not comfortable.
Mm-hmm. And they're very flexible, and we actually designed them to maintain the acoustics of the sound with a flat-faced earbud. As soon as here's another giant product for you.
My goodness.
With a flat-faced earbud, the sound will come up and then stop flat at your ear, and it relies on your ear to carry it all the way in. But the Acoustic was designed to continue with twin cone technology, that beautiful sound, and maintain that bass and the highs all the way into the center of the ear.
Now, how do you best describe it for those that are unable to see the video at this point so that they can kind of get a grip, if you will, about what the Acoustic actually does when it's just inside the ear?
Once you get it inside the ear, and it's not always a perfect one-size-fits-all. We have 3 sizes. Slide it in, and you have to wiggle once in a while. It's very soft silicone, and there are outer fins. And each size has a different number of fins, but once it's inside the ear, it starts to conform and grip to your ear. It'll actually isolate a lot of that external sound. It doesn't cancel it. It's not a sound canceling.
Right? No, of course,
product,
because this is a small.
It's a very small and
soft plastic.
Soft plastic, but very durable.
Imagine here, I'm putting it on my little finger to give our video an idea how easy it is. Yep. And there's just these little ridges, if you will, very soft, very comfortable, I must say, in the ear, because you did provide us with some last year. Yep. And we've all been using them on all of our many trips.
That's good to hear.
Yes.
That's good to hear.
They do hold on.
They hold in. The whole company, we're all very active. We're joggers. We're mountain bikers. The president, John, is an off-road motorcyclist. So that's how we came up with the idea. We needed something, the stock earbuds are painful. They fall out.
Yep.
They just don't carry the sound like they should.
And, of course, with the comfortable Acoustic buds. Now, why the name? First of all, it makes sense to me because it is all about acoustics.
Yeah, it's all about acoustics.
And when you can put the little bud in your ear and hold on to those earbuds.
It started with the design to maintain the acoustics in your ear and then developed into a product that would keep it in your ear.
Yeah.
So it works really nice.
And you're right about, while it's not, of course, noise canceling, it certainly helps to keep out the extraneous noise, especially on a plane, as I've shared.
Especially.
And it does make a big difference. Now, you don't stop there, though. Rumor has it that you're doing some kind of new super rugged iPod Nano case.
We might have something for the person that cliff jumps or crashes a lot on their mountain bike.
Jumps off their mountain bike.
Whatever you. This is the Acoustic Glove. And it's the first in a line that will be coming out that will protect and manage your iPod wires. So,
So this is something that when I first saw it, I thought you just kind of wrapped your iPod earbud wires around the Nano, but there's actually little channels that allow you to kind of keep the cable in there, and it's now very convenient.
Very convenient. Yep. And now you can stick it in your pocket, and then your earbuds hang out right on top.
There you go. With, of course, the Acoustabud.
With the Acoustabud
on there.
And I did take this one off. So.
Yes, well, of course.
But they will also fit. You don't need Acoustabuds to fit. You can use your just standard earbud without the Acoustabud.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Now, this is something that will be available soon or available
now? Next couple months, it'll be available. We have 8 or 10 prototypes here at the show, and we've been dropping them on the floor like crazy and twisting wires up into them. And people are really enjoying it. So
and of course, the whole idea when you mentioned dropping them on the floor, of course, I know what you mean, as opposed to literally throwing them on the floor. But it's soft,
it's
rubbery kind of feel, so it also protects the Nano.
Exactly. Yep.
And it can handle the abuse.
It can handle it. Yep.
This is called the Acoustic Glove.
Like a nice fitting glove.
Yeah, there you go. And cost-wise?
This will be $19.99. Be available soon on Amazon.com.
Good. And in this case, we mean just under $20. And not a lot of people in and out of our broadcast booth talk about $19.99 and they need $2,000. Yeah, for various things. Yeah. This is $20, under $20 to do the job for you. Helping us manage those unruly wires, because the other problem is I watch people, and I do it too, you just wrap them around your fingers, and then they get all knotted up, and they get broken, and so forth. This is a cool way to just keep them in order.
Exactly.
Well, what else are you showing here at CES?
Got one more. This is the Acoustic Grip, and this is actually my favorite product because I'm a runner.
Now, is this oversized
as
well?
This is also very over. This is our tiniest product. This is it right here on the back of my Acoustic Glove here.
Okay.
Very tiny. And it will fit either the large diameter wires through the center right here, or the narrow gauge wires right here on the sides, these two little clips. And then you just grab it, bend it open like that, and you can pinch it right onto your shirt.
Oh, okay.
And we sell them in sets of 2, so you can actually pinch one on your collar and then pinch one on your cuff. And it stops that cord drag.
Yeah, exactly.
You can hear it right up to your headphone.
And now Andres is showing it in real life form.
Yes.
Very close up on the video to get the idea how easy it is to just pinch the cable without crimping it, and then it goes wherever you need it to go and not be in your way. Love it. Exactly. Burton Ideas. You see, they're full of them. Great ideas. Burton, BURTON ideas.com for more info. Chris, thanks for joining us at CES.
My pleasure.
We're back with more as we continue from Las Vegas. I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network.